Hello, we try to keep our allotments free from pests and to keep the plants where we want them, but sometimes they surprise you by popping up where you don't expect them. Look at these little bugger. He's camera shy now, but he's actually going up a slanting greenhouse. Well, he's going to come to a grisly end because he's not eating my plants. Look away if you're squeamish, because he's about to get it. Right, that's lunch for the birds. Just to show you how easily privet propagates, I was trying to prop this up last year and I put a couple of sticks in like that. These are the ones I put in the other day. In fact, just notice this. I cut this in about October and left it, and look, it's starting to bud out. I only put this stuck in the ground yesterday, so it couldn't have been growing, but it's kept that alive. And this one was one it was just a stick, and I put it in the ground last year just to hold this up. And look, it's rooted and it's grown. Got a privet hedge. So as I'm trying to get rid of the grass along here on the side of the path, the ruddy privet makes a move. But it's just a little stick. Unbelievable. This bed had potatoes in it, and Tim harvested the potatoes last year, and I dug it over and picked up all those small potatoes, and still we've got potatoes coming up. So that's harvest and then me going through again, and then still potatoes coming up. Now the good thing about potatoes is they do break up the soil, and if the potatoes rot in the ground they actually add organic matter. But these, I don't know what to do with them. Some of them are a bit too close to that's the strawberry, surrounded by 1, 2 potatoes, and then, you know, that potato is going to compete with that raspberry and this strawberry, and then same thing here, strawberry, potatoes there, potato that side. Could be useful, but I think I'll have to pull them out. If they're bang in the middle of the path I might leave them, but where they're competing with the plants I'll have to take them out. Well, that's allotment gardening. The struggle goes on, and when you think you're winning, life throws a spanner in the works. Goodbye for now, and come back soon.